This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a quick look at how you can issue copy receipts and general receipt functions on the XEA303, 406 or 40S register. In order to use the copy receipt function, you have to have programmed it. So if you've not set the copy receipt function up yet, please check out my other video which shows you how to program that, how to set it up. I'll put a link to that at the end of this one. Once you've got the function set up, it's easy to use. So we're in the reg mode, processing sales transactions. We get a receipt printout with every sale as standard. You press the TLNS button to cash the sale off. That's your standard receipt that's automatically issued. If you want a copy receipt, you simply press the receipt PO button here and it prints a receipt that says copy on it, and you can keep issuing copies. I mean, for a retail till, normally one copy would suffice. This function comes into its own. You can, in many ways, you can turn the receipt off. So if you turn the key round to the XZ position, so that's one turn to the left from reg, and then press RCPTO, you get a little dash appear, and that means the receipt is off. So then when you process a sale, as standard, you don't get a receipt printout, but you can issue a post receipt. That function is enabled as standard. You don't need to do any programming for that, and you'll notice that it doesn't say copy on it. It's just the standard receipt that you've issued on request. But you can now, because you programmed that function, you can also issue a copy of the post receipt. To turn the receipt back on, so if you want a receipt printout with every transaction, key to XZ, press RCPTPO, and you'll see this dash here disappear. So now we get the receipt printout as standard. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA303 and other Sharp cash registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.